Hi. Hi. I'm with my friend Ava and I'm literally doing absolutely nothing. No, that's such a lie. I'm figuring out my tax stuff. All the boring tax stuff. I'm stressed. So that is the vibe. I finish up with tax stuff, I'll get right back to you. I have a heating pad on for my TMJ. So this is me, just chilling. And right now I'm just hanging out while I heat my face up. Then I have to record a brand deal. It's actually a really cool brand deal because it's It Cosmetics, and I actually been using It Cosmetics for fucking a minute now because a girl's got acne. So I really love the brand. I'm very, very grateful. And then afterwards, probably gonna, I don't fucking know. Truthfully, don't know. The way that I'm just really unaesthetically pleasing is like what the fuck is this? This is the life of me. Contemplated life.
Wake the fuck up, you spicy little fuck nugget. Ain't nobody got time for that snooze button bullshit. So open those pretty little eyes and get ready for one hell of a day. Today's forecast? Total and complete chaotic bliss. Are you ready for it? Yes, you fucking are. And why? Because you're not just the fucking cherry on top. You're the entire goddamn hot fudge sundae. We're not settling for mediocrity today. The fuck we are. Be the bloody badass bitch who makes fucking waves. Hell, make it a tsunami. It's giving Ursula with a trident on crack.
Okay, I got some stuff done. Now I'm fucking starving. And now I didn't eat yet today, so I'm gonna make some eggs, even though it's like the middle of the day right now. And play some music. No. I don't know why I like this music right now. Let's get to cleaning, to cooking. I don't know why I just talk like that. Hi. Oh god. You look crazy. Well, I'm gonna go get sushi with Ava. I love sushi. Yeah, I'll go to Home Goods after. Home Goods. I need to figure out my little situation here. So this is my desk that I sew. I do literally everything on. I put this mirror here, but then we have this issue. I was using picture frames to block that, so I have to get more picture frames. Figure this out, and I don't like this mirror, but I don't know. What do we think? If anyone has any suggestions with this corner, because this is it. It's really messy. I have so much stuff. But yeah. I'm wearing just sweatpants right now, nothing crazy. We're at sushi now. It's done. She tried ordering like a sushi roll, but instead of like sushi, it would be steak inside, which I think would taste amazing. And imagine dipping it in the spicy mayo, like the yum yum sauce. Good morning. My sister just got here and she knits hats and stuff. I'm gonna help her with content for that, like for her website and stuff. I need to do something about this face. I'm just gonna put like light makeup on because I'm feeling sick. I think I have allergies right now. The allergies are kicking my butt. So let's get ready. This is my sister's hat. This is her spread. a little spread of stuff. I like this. This is cute. I like this one. If you do that, it's gonna take longer to upload it. At least that you could just, I'll show you how to upload. Do you want me to use as an example quick? I mean, isn't this for the website or something? And upload these as products. So people like that. Holy shit! What? Here's Frizzy, hold on. Good morning. Ignore the little donut on my head. I have these rollers in. So I started editing this vlog and I realized that it's kind of boring. So I don't like what kind of vlog. I don't know what vlog this turned out to, but it's a little boring. But I'm still learning, which means that my next vlog is going to be a lot better than this one. And yeah, it's going to be a lot better. I don't know what I was doing when I was making this vlog, but this isn't it, you know? But for now, I'm gonna vlog my day. My little fun day with the little donuts on the head. I don't know what's I'm a little delulu right now. And I'm getting ready right now, and I decided I'm gonna get a little personal and talk about myself. I hate talking about myself. I literally hate talking about myself. I get so awkward. Like, I literally get so awkward and I hate attention. So this is gonna be hard. For someone that posts a lot on social media, I do hate attention. Like, I get a little awkward when I receive a lot of attention, like in person. I think online it's a lot easier to receive it, but in person, if someone's like, "You're so pretty," I'm like, "Thank you." And then I start getting a little weird. Oh, that's like one little fun fact about me. I get freaking awkward, socially awkward in person. But anyway, let me finish getting ready. I have like foundation, concealer, and a little bit of contour on, but I gotta put the rest on. We're gonna get to it. I apologize for the shitty lighting. I'm still new at this, so I gotta learn like where to record and where to put my camera, so it's a little dark right now. But anyway, my name is Bianca, and I am 25 years old. I'm literally getting old. I'm like an old little hag. I hate telling people my age because I feel like I'm getting old, but I am 25, and I'm from Staten Island. I usually don't tell people I'm from Staten Island because I hate the island. Fun fact. Oh, this is my Morphe palette. It's broken. I hate telling people that I'm from here just because I feel like Staten Island has like this image that people automatically assume you're just like them, or we're just like not considered the 5 boroughs, which I actually kind of agree with because I feel like we're a little bit more like suburban from, you know? So I agree with that. I could definitely see why we're not considered the 5 boroughs. I agree. What else about me? I went to fashion school for fashion merchandising. I actually went to LAM, and there's some influencers that went to LAM too, and they talked about their experiences, and I could not have agreed more because I hated the school. I just didn't have the best experience there, and I know a lot of people that did not have really good experiences as well, but I also know of people that do have really good experiences at LAM. That's just me personally. It is really dark, but we're just gonna live with this. So I have a brand called Asunta, and I learned how to sew from YouTube actually. As a kid, I definitely was interested in fashion. And I actually remember I had a pet rock, so specific, and I used to cut gloves and make a hat for the pet rock, and I used to make it clothes. That is very strange of a child, but yeah. What else about me? A couple years ago, I started my love for thrifting, and I had too much time on my hand, so I started YouTubing how to sew. I bought a sewing machine from Amazon, and then the rest is history. I started upcycling pieces, which is why I have my brand now. I love posting on social media. I think it's like a fun way to kind of show your creativity. I don't know, I just think it's really fun. I go to Italy, I think at least once a year. I have my aunts that live there and a bunch of cousins. What else about me? Pasta is such a comfort food to me. I could eat it for lunch, breakfast. Like, I can eat pasta 24/7 and I'll be okay. I think that's really it. My life is not that interesting. Oh no, I have another fact. I've been in a relationship for 7 years. My boyfriend of 7 years, and I think that's really it for now. I think that covers the basics, and I'm gonna finish my makeup. Oh my god, it is so dark. I'm gonna finish up my makeup and then tuck in a bit. Okay, bye. Guys, hold on. This is literally the best lip combo ever. Hold on. I say hold on like 5 times. NYX in brown, and then I'll use the Lancome Juicy Tubes. I don't know what color this is. Ultra shiny hydrating lip gloss. And the balance, like, hold on, I have really bad lighting in my room. I'm obsessed with this color. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you. Back to it. Finish that. I'm gonna make a smoothie that I've been obsessing over. I don't know why it's hot. It's not that good, but it's kind of good. We'll do that. You're gonna have your blender. I use coconut milk, but you can use water. I don't think it really matters. My friend showed me how to do this, so pour it in. I like peaches. I'm gonna use frozen peaches. Handful. Then I'll do pineapple. I actually don't like pineapple. I don't know why, but I feel like I need to be eating it. We'll do that. We're gonna add 2 strawberries. My friend literally put me onto all this, so I have to give her credit. She told me to get this protein powder. I think it's gluten-free. I'm not GF. My friend that uses this is literally a health freak, so she told me to use this one. And I do like 1.5 tablespoons. I think you're supposed to use 4. I haven't been going to the gym, so I don't want to like overdo the protein. I don't know. I'm not an expert. I have no fucking idea. So I do like 1.5. I feel like it might need water. I'm like running low on coconut. I'll add a little bit more of this. And then we're gonna blend it. Okay, I fucked up. I need to put the rest of whatever's in here. And then I'm gonna blend it up again. All done. Okay, wait, the texture of this is beautiful. Okay, we're gonna pour it into here. Look at the color. Why did it come out so pretty? Oh my God, this is gorgeous. This is done. We're gonna add a straw. It's really sweet. This is so freaking good. That's my little smoothie I make. Okay, bye. Got this cutesy little package, and I'm not really sure what it is, but I got it sent to me. I figured let's just open that. Very excited. Let's see. I'm trying to show you first. We're excited to share the new Luminous Silk Creamy Bronzing Powder. I love bronzer. Oh, I suck at this. Hold on. Ooh la la. This is huge. Wait, this is so big. What the fuck? This thing's like, okay, this is my face. That's my cheek. This is huge. I can't believe they're selling this. Okay, let's put it on. I actually have already powder on, but I'm gonna put it on over and see how it comes out. I'm too impatient, so. Oh wow, it's really pigmented. Oh no, I wasn't expecting it to be this pigmented. Oh no. Just for reference. Oh shit. Oh God. Worse. Look at this. Wait. Look what I did. Let's try to blend this out. Let's see if it'll work. Maybe it's a little too dark for me. Oh wow. This needs to be blended in more, but like, that's sick. I'm obsessed. Okay, this is literally nuts. Okay, that's all I came to say. Okay, bye.